Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can earn from the Artflow website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the website of the Artflow, and after that, we have to go to this option which is called Earn Money option. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this option, you will be able to see an option for the Become an Affiliate. So we have to click on this Become an Affiliate option. And after clicking on this, as you can see, we have to provide some details like we have to provide the which country you are located at, we have to provide the full name, we have to provide these all data, and after providing these all data, we have to click on the submit. And after clicking on the submit, we will get the answer and you will be able to earn the money. As you can see, earn 25% of your all referred payment, that is 65. As you can see, they have provided each and so as you can see, they have provided all the information, and 25% of all referred payment, that's up to $650 a month with 100 payments, and 3,125 month with 500 payments. So as you can see, in this way you can refer the people and earn from the Artflow website. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.